Achieving a net worth of $100,000 is a significant milestone in financial growth, and it often marks the point where accumulating additional wealth becomes noticeably easier. This change can be attributed to various factors that collectively enhance an individual's ability to grow their capital more efficiently and effectively. From increased access to diverse investment opportunities to the powerful effect of compounding interest, higher net worth individuals experience a range of benefits that contribute to easier wealth accumulation. Additionally, aspects like improved creditworthiness, expanded financial knowledge, and broader networks play pivotal roles in facilitating this progression. Each of these factors, detailed further below, synergistically works to not only preserve, but also significantly augment one's financial standing once they cross this substantial threshold of wealth. 1. Investment opportunities. Having a net worth of $100,000 opens up a range of investment opportunities that may not be viable with less capital. This includes access to a broader array of asset classes, enabling more diversified portfolios. High net worth individuals can explore investments in stocks, bonds, real estate, private equity, and even in more niche areas like art or collectibles. Diversification across these assets can help mitigate risk and potentially increase returns. Additionally, more capital means the ability to take significant positions in individual investments, which can be more profitable. 2. Compounding interest. Compounding interest plays a crucial role in wealth accumulation. The principle here is that the returns you earn on your investments are reinvested, generating their own returns. With a higher initial amount like $100,000, the absolute returns generated are larger, and thus the effect of compounding is magnified over time. This can lead to exponential growth in wealth, especially if the investments are held over a long period. 3. Access to better financial products and advice. Greater net worth often grants access to premium financial services and products. This includes personalized investment advice from financial advisors, wealth management services, and access to exclusive investment funds. These services can offer more tailored and sophisticated investment strategies, tax planning, and estate planning, which can be instrumental in efficiently growing and preserving wealth. 4. Risk tolerance. A higher net worth generally allows for a greater tolerance for risk. This is because you have a larger financial cushion to absorb potential losses. With this ability, individuals can allocate a portion of their portfolio to higher risk, high reward investments like speculative stocks, venture capital, or cryptocurrencies. This can lead to significant gains, although it also involves greater volatility and potential for loss. 6. Learning and experience. Accumulating a net worth of $100,000 typically involves developing a degree of financial literacy and experience. This experience is invaluable in making future financial decisions. It includes understanding market dynamics, investment strategies, and risk management. This knowledge allows for more informed and confident decision-making in financial matters. 7. Network and opportunities. Wealth often comes with a network of contacts and access to opportunities that are not available to everyone. This can include investment tips, business partnerships, or other ventures that can be profitable. Networking with other wealthy individuals or professionals can also provide insights and advice that can be crucial in making successful investments. 8. Economies of scale. In some investment scenarios, having more capital can lead to economies of scale. This is where the cost per unit of investment decreases as the size of the investment increases. For example, in real estate, buying multiple properties can reduce the per unit cost. Similarly, in stock trading, larger trades can reduce transaction costs relative to the investment size. 9. Reduced financial stress. With a solid financial base, there is often less immediate stress about day-to-day finances. This allows for a more long-term and strategic approach to financial planning and investment. Without the pressure of immediate financial needs, you can make decisions that are more aligned with long-term wealth accumulation and preservation goals. 10. Psychological factors. Crossing a significant financial threshold, like $100,000, can be a major psychological boost. It can increase confidence in financial management abilities and encourage more ambitious financial goals. This confidence can lead to taking calculated risks that may result in substantial returns, as well as to a more proactive approach to managing and growing wealth. In conclusion, surpassing a net worth of $100,000 is more than just a financial milestone. It fundamentally alters the landscape of wealth accumulation. With increased access to diverse and potentially lucrative investment opportunities, the benefits of compounding interest, and the advantages of higher creditworthiness, individuals find themselves in a stronger position to grow their wealth. Additionally, the experience and knowledge gained in reaching this level, along with an expanded network of contacts and opportunities, further facilitate financial growth. The psychological impact of achieving this milestone also cannot be understated, as it often boosts confidence and risk-taking ability, key components for further financial success. However, it is crucial to approach this new phase with a strategy that balances risk and reward, ensuring sustainable growth. Proper financial management, continuous education, and a cautious approach towards high-risk ventures are essential to leverage the advantages of a higher net worth effectively. I hope you have enjoyed and learnt something valuable from this video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon, so you don't miss any future content about money-related stuff again. Goodbye.